Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our previous video, we tackled the sine function, a fundamental concept in the trigonometry. Today we will explore its partner, the cosine function, often denoted by cos. Just like sine, cosine helps us understand the relationship between the angle and the side in the triangle. Remember in the last video how sine represented the ratio between the opposite side and the hypotenuse in a right triangle? Cosine takes a slightly different approach. It focuses on the side adjacent to the angle are interested in relative to the hypotenuse. Now imagine this is a right angle triangle. Let's say that we are interested in the angle at the bottom right, which is denoted as the theta. The cosine of this angle written as cos theta. Over here it's a cos theta. It is equal to the length of the adjacent side, which is next to the angle theta, divided by the length of the hypotenuse, which is c in our case. So cos theta is the ratio of the adjacent side, which is denoted as b, and hypotenuse, which is denoted. Similarly, if we look at the sine theta, it's a opposite side to hypotenuse. In our case, opposite side to the angle theta is a, so it's a divided by c. While the right triangle definition is helpful, cosine can also be visualized using the units. Cosine makes its home on x-axis, while sine makes its home on y-axis. So over here we can see the unit circle, which has radius is equal to the 1 unit. So that's why it's called a unit circle. Unit circle is the one whose radius is 1 unit. This angle is the theta 1. The value of cos theta is equal to the length of adjacent side and hypotenuse. So it's correspond to the value of the x-axis correspond to this value on this point on the circle. So what is the x coordinate on this circle, which is denoted by the cos theta. So cos theta always denotes the value on x-axis, while sin theta always denotes the value on y-axis, as it is denoted over here. As the angle rotates around the circle, a point traces its path. If we move from the one point to another point in the circle, the x-coordinate of the point corresponds to the cosine value of that angle. For example, at 0 degree, the cos value is 1. So let's say if 0 degree is this line, right? So value of x at this point is 1 unit. And if it rotates up to 90 degree, the value of x is 0 at this point. So y value is 1 and x value is 0. Let's use cosine to solve the real world problem. Imagine a tree with angle of elevation at 60 degree angle, and we have placed that our ladder at point A, which makes the 60 degree angle with base, and the height of the ladder is around 10 meter. So this is the ladder which we have placed at base, and it makes the 60 degree angle with base. So height of AB is 10 meter. Now if we want to calculate what is the distance between the bottom of ladder and the bottom of the tree, which is equal to the base distance, so we can denote by its a cos theta. So over here x degree is 60 degree and hypotenuse is 10 meter. Value of cos theta over here is adjacent side, which is equal to AC, and hypotenuse, which value is equal to AB. So we know that value of AB is 10 meter. So we can calculate cos 60 divided by AC upon 10. Cos 60 is equal to 1/2. We will find how the cos 60 is equal to 1/2 in later chapter. So AC is equal to AC divided by 10. AC is equal to 10 multiplied by 1/2, which is equal to 5 meter. So distance between the base of ladder and the base of the tree is equal to 5 meter. So that's it from cosine part. So key points about the cosine. Cosine deal with the adjacent side relative to the hypotenuse in right triangle. Cosine value ranges from -1 to 1. Sine and cosine work together to form the foundation of trigonometry. By understanding both, you gain a powerful tool for analyzing angles and sides in various contexts. Do you have any question about cosine? Feel free to leave them in comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures in math. Thanks for joining us today. See you in the next video.